Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the default drive in Windows 11 for new programs and saves. This is the option 1 and I'm going to show how to change the default hard drive for saving downloads also in Windows 11. Here, how to change the default drive in Windows 11. It's not just for installing new programs but also for saving your files and even changing where your downloads go. So if your C drive is always full and you want to move everything to this video is just for you. Let's get started. So the first one is how to change the default drive in Windows 11 for new programs and saves. So let's get started. So you can force Windows to change the default drive for saving with few basic settings modifications. So step 1 is hit Windows plus I, or you just open your settings. It's automatically open your settings in this laptop. Now the step 2 is go to System tab and select Storage. And here you can see expand advanced storage settings. Select where new content is saved. Tap on that. And now here you can see step 4 is for each category pick and choose where drive will become the new default. And note that this might not apply for all files within that category. So as additional settings and installations can override them. So select for each category if you want. For the music, so you can select this. That is simple guys, very easy. Now the option 2 is in Windows how to change the default hard drive for saving downloads. Since you will mostly download from your default browser, or you can edit settings to change the downloads folder. So the process is similar for the both browsers guys. So here's how it looks on Edge. So first step is you have to create a new folder on the hard drives. First create it. So create a new folder on the hard drive you want to use as the default. Now you can name it downloads or similar to downloads. Now open the Edge browser. Now click on the three dots icon on the top right here and select settings. Now step 3 is go to downloads. Here you can see here on the left side. Now step 4 is for the location option, select change. Then find the folder you created in step 1. Here on the desktop, here you can see in the hard drive you have created a new download folder. So select that. Select folder. That's it. Now the last step is toggle off the options. Ask where to save each file before downloading. Toggle off it. Toggle off this. Now here you can see on this one only. Show downloads menu when a download start. And that's it. Now whatever you will download, it directly save in this new folder that you have created. So guys, alright guys, that's how you can easily change the default drive in Windows 11 for apps, files and downloads. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to TechnoWaves and turn on the bell icon so you never miss more tech tutorials and unboxing videos like this. So drop a comment below if you want me to cover how to move already installed software to another drive. I will make a full tutorial on that too. So thanks for watching.